With Wondershare Repairit, Mac users can restore and colorize their old photos easily by following the 3 simple steps. Upload old photos. Repair the added old photos. Preview and save the restored and colorized old photos. Step 1. Upload the old photos to Repairit. Download and launch Repairit on your Mac. Open it and select Old Photo Restoration and Colorizer from the More Types Repair section. Then click on the Add button to upload the old photos from your Mac. Note: you can upload multiple photos of various formats and repair them in batch at the same time. Step 2. Restore and colorize old photos via Repairit. After adding the old photos, please click on the Process button to process your old photos with Repairit's advanced AI algorithms. Then Repairit will start processing your old photos immediately, just wait for a moment. Step 3. Preview and save the processed photos. After Repairit completes the photo restoration and coloring process, you can click the restored photos to check the restoration quality of the photos. If you're satisfied with the repairing result, click on the Save button and choose a path to save the photos. The restored and colorized photos will be saved successfully after a few seconds. Now you can go to the target location where your processed photos are saved and access them without hassle.